getting hurt and they're getting crushed against the barricades and the security guards are having to push back and forth. So everybody, could you please back? I'll keep going as long as you want tonight, but just make it safer. Please take a couple steps back. Can't play again till you take a couple steps. Couple steps, just 2 or 3 steps. It's all right, it's all right, it's all right. Take a couple steps back. Move your chairs back a foot. It's all right. We got a long way to go tonight. Just move them back. Come on. I ain't going nowhere. Move them back. Now we're getting there. A little more. Just over here. This is where the barricade's broken, so I don't want anyone getting hurt with a bunch of this shit. Right? Let's move it on back. Let's see. Keep going. If you